In this video, we'll see how to bind some data to a dropdown in the Angular application. Here I have a string array called pizza lists. So what I'll show you is how to bind this pizza list array to a dropdown. So for that, I need to go to the app.component.html file and create a select element. Add an option to it. Here I'll make use of the ng4 directive and iterate over the pizza list. And render the values here. This is style of the dropdown. I'll just add some predefined style or CSS here. Now if I view this thing, there you go. Here's how to render the dropdown. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps. Thank you.